Alright guys, we're going to install a M4 RW carbon rear diffuser. We're going to show you how to do it. First, double side tape. Get the edge. Not too close, not too far. Just press it on. Boom. First step. Both sides. We already did that side. Second step, which we already did, is kind of the real first step. You gotta clean it off with alcohol just to make sure the tape sticks well. Okay, now you wanna separate and expose the tape. Which takes a sec, you know. Boom. Right, man? Here's impact. Boom. I like to use self-tappers. I don't like nuts and bolts because it's too much work, you know. Self-tap it in, you're good. For the diffuser.
Exhaust tips still toasty.
Line that up to the edge. Keep going. Next, self-tapper, get under, just hit it in a few spots. I like to put at least 4 self-tappers on each side. You just want to make sure it's stuck on there. And that is how you install an M4 diffuser.